Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are gonna be doing another beauty subscription box unboxing. But this is a true first impression because I have never unboxed anything from Allure Beauty. I have like toiled around with the idea of trying out their subscription box, but I never committed to it. But then they had like some offer that I could join for like a discounted price. So I tried it out and I was like, well, why not? When you open it up, this is the information card that you get. So once you open it up, this is what it looks like. It just has this paper film to cover up the products underneath. And jumping right in, the first product that we have is this rose lip mask. It is one mask. This is to take a closer look at what it looks like. So this is from the brand COSTAR, and it is a lip mask, as it says. It contains one mask. The price, you can get 20 of these for $38. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, I don't know. I've never seen the purpose of a lip mask, just because I like my lips. I think that they're very full, luscious. So I don't quite know what the purpose of a lip mask is. I'm assuming lip plumping effects. I've tried lip plumpers before. It feels like I'm having an allergic reaction. I don't want any parts of that. But it says lip masks are made for selfies. Just ask Emma Stone. But this particular mask is more than a prop. It smooths, hydrates, and plumps lips with rose water, and it's free of parabens and phthalates, stuff you don't want to swallow. It smells lovely like roses. It's nearly impossible to keep on your lips if you're sitting upright, which is a great excuse to lie down. Once it's off, it moisturizes without leaving too much serum behind, making it a great base for lipstick. So you guys know that I love swatching my liquid lipsticks, my matte liquid lipsticks. So I think this would be good to do before applying a matte liquid lipstick or after doing one, I would say. Either or, because you know, matte liquid lipsticks tend to be very drying. So definitely you could do it afterwards. Add some hydration, don't draw out your lips, chap out your lips too much. Like I said, you can get 20 of these for $38. You can buy them on Anthropologie.com, and there is a coupon code if you do subscribe, but you do have to use it by December 31st. Next, we have this cute watermelon shaped mask, and this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. It comes in two pieces, one for the top half of their face and one for the bottom half to better fit most face shapes. This is to help, so someone has said that it helps with their redness and it helps with the flakiness of their skin. And then it says bonus, it smells like Sour Patch watermelon gummies. Ooh. Yum. I don't want to open this yet. I think I'm going to do a separate video. Oh, that smells yummy. All right, so it says the price of this is $8. That is kind of high. $8 for one sheet mask? That is, that's a steep price. Next, we have these eye patches from Patchology. These are their Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels, and it says these glittering under eye masks work and then they work quickly. Within 5 minutes, my under eyes felt super hydrated and looked brighter. See dark circles. The soft, comfy gels tighten puffs with caffeine and plump fine lines with moisture. I like using them while I do my eye makeup. It preps under eyes for concealer and catches eyeshadow fallout all at once. So the pricing on these, to get 5 pair of these, you can get them for $15. Next, from Glam Glow, we have this Super Mud Clearing Treatment. It says, if you wear foundation every day, are prone to breakouts, or generally in the market for a good skin detox, good news. This charcoal and kaolin clay mask is like the vacuum cleaner for pores. As it dries, you can see these little dots, especially on and around my nose, where oil is being sucked out of my skin and my face feels super clean and fresh after. So I've seen this on social media and I've wanted to try this because I am an oily girl, like super oily, like swimming through Crisco oily. So this is like first date that I've always wanted to happen. I'm really excited about this. Oh my goodness. This is like the spa day that I needed. The semester's over, super oily, lots of breakouts. Like, I'm in need of some total self-care. For the full-size container of this, it is $59. And that is a little pricey to me. Like, anything that's over $20, I start thinking, all right now, y'all gotta chill out. But we can see how this works out, and if I like this, then that is something that I could invest in because it is something that is like a detox. I'm assuming you're not going to use it every day and it will last you a while, but like I said, I am cheap. I'm fiscally responsible, I'm frugal. So when things start getting up in price like that, then I'm like, do you know how many nights of Chipotle that is? Do you know how many tanks of gas that is? So It's $59, and then they have a coupon code to get 20% off any purchase of $50 or more. So right there, you already get 20% off because it is over $50. Next, from Star Skin, we have this exfoliating double layer foot mask socks. I didn't even know that this was for your feet. I thought this was for your face. I was like, this is heavy. I'm so excited about this. I think I watched a YouTube video of these girls doing like this foot peel, and they put these on, and like their feet looked rank, and they were peeling off, like shedding. Like if you imagine snake skin shedding, that's what their feet were doing after they did this. So let's see. I don't know. It's winter, so I'm not gonna be wearing any like flip-flops, but like, and I don't have a boyfriend, so I don't care. My feet can look a hit. It says travel friendly, proven peeling results, and then it has 50 milliliters infused serum, and it's cruelty-free and vegan. And then it has all the little steps. Wash feet and towel dry, remove socks from sachet and separate using scissors. Carefully separate the serum infused felt inner layers before putting on socks. Use stickers to close socks securely. This will stimulate the sauna-like effect for maximum results. Sauna, what is going on? Leave socks on between 60 to 90 minutes. Avoid walking on slippery surfaces. Remove socks and discard. Rinse feet thoroughly with warm water and towel dry. Do not apply foot cream after treatment or in the following 7 to 10 days. Oh my God, you're asking for a lot. No lotion on your toes for 7 to 10 days. Do you know what you're asking me? Like, oh my gosh. Okay. Dead skin and calluses will start to peel away gradually within 7 to 10 days. The peeling process may start sooner depending on the condition of the feet. So basically, if your feet are really busted, it's gonna start peeling sooner. I'm excited. This is nice and heavy. All right, let's read some details. There's such a thing as a sheet mask for your feet, go figure. And it's basically a pedicure in overdrive. Tear open this package, and inside you'll find a pair of plastic socks lined with lactic acid peel that's designed to get rid of calluses. Slip them on, feel very squishy. They feel very squishy, and get ready to watch TV so you're not sliding around your home. I was about to say I'd be moonwalking all up and through here because I have concrete floors. So I'd be the one to slip and bust my head. Rinse off your feet after an hour and wait for it. Over the next week, calluses peel off like snake molting. That's exactly what I said. Somebody needs to proofread this. It says if you've got or cuts or blisters. If you've got cuts or blisters, there's an extra or in there. Blisters on your feet. So the price of this is $15. You can buy it on starskin.com, and you get a extra 20% off with the coupon code, and is good through December 31st. It also says tip, to speed up the peeling process, soak and briskly rub feet with washcloth to assist dead skin removal. Okay. Next I have this Invisibobble Original, and I don't know, unpopular opinion, these look like telephone cord to me. I don't know, they don't look stylish to me, they don't look cute, but it's a 3-pack of them. And tell me these don't look like old school phone cord. Like home phone cord, like hello, you used to call me on my home phone. But they're this pink glittery color, and these are just little hair ties. I guess this is the new trend now. Like people are using these as hair ties, but they come in a pack of 3. It says obviously this isn't a mask, but it is easier to mask when you've got a good hair tie, and these don't leave a crease, which come on is genius. I use them when I'm washing my face, cooking, or any other time I want to get my hair off my face temporarily, but they're still strong enough to hold my hair in a ponytail all day without sagging or giving me a headache, which traditionally elastics tend to do. The only downside, bring one of these around a toddler and there's a 50% chance they'll abscond it. They'll abscond with it as a new bracelet. I speak from experience. Price $7.95, and you can buy these at Ulta. $7 for these. I think I will just take the elastics and take the headaches, because I personally would not pay $8 for 3 of these. And then finally, I got this Lapco's Pearl Brightening Metallic Sheet Mask. So just some information that they have here. It says the word brightening gets thrown around a lot, but this sheet mask makes good on its promise. I always wear foundation, but this mask made my skin look so radiant all over that I skipped my usual base routine so the glow could show through. And that's what one of the editorial assistants from Allure said. It's loaded with serum, but it never dripped. I was actually running all over and cleaning my apartment and the mask didn't slip or move. After I took it off and rubbed the excess serum, my skin was bouncy with moisture, and even my cheeks, which can get really dry, felt nice and soft. So the price of these is $14 for a 5-pack. So I think that's pretty good, actually. It's like almost averaging, it's a little less than $3 a piece. And then they give you a coupon code for $10 off a beauty purchase that's $50 or more. This is a very beautiful like rose gold color. And then I also got a bonus gift, this Versace Pour Femme. This is their Dylan Blue scent. I am in a period of like trying to find a coming of age perfume. So let's see. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue is such a, oh, I love it. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, YSL Black Opium, and Zara Forget Me Not. Those are my top 3 fragrances. And then Sensual Amber from Bath & Body Works, but that's technically discontinued. This is what it looks like. Versace, 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 Versace. You have a good amount in there. Be careful when opening it. That's a very strong smell. I'm trying to like, it's like a clean, almost floral scent. Then it also reminds me of Avon. There's like one Avon perfume or lotion my mom used to put on us as kids, and it smells like that. It doesn't stink, but it is definitely strong. Like, you're not gonna need too much of this. We'll see, maybe it'll grow on me. So you guys, that is all that I have for you guys. This is my first Allure beauty box unboxing. I'm really excited for next month's box because it is a collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up. That is the same thing. If you guys want to see a full first impression on all of these masks, definitely let me know. And yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.